Alright, so I've changed my emulator. The other emulator was shit. So let's actually use the app. Add a source. Remember, this is the app my friend built. My friend and coworker. This is the app he built to sharpen his skills. This is what we're gonna do with his app as well. But we're gonna be on the receiving end. We're gonna be like sitting there watching him do it as I explain it. Hopefully. So, this is the RSS reader, and this is the Hacker News RSS feed that we would like to add. Copy paste is not working here, so I'm going to do it myself. hnrss.org newest test source. It works. Save. Alright. Brilliant, isn't it? Okay, emulator is a little buggy. If we press on one of these things, help make, I don't want to help Chrome at all actually. Just open what I'm telling you to open. Okay, you get the idea. Refresh. Refreshes the feed. Nothing new. What else can we do here? Manage our existing sources. What is this? This will activate or deactivate the source. Going back should not. Okay, perfect. All sources are disabled. It tells you. Enable sources. I was supposing he would do it. Okay, I'll enable the source. I can add another source here. Let's go for the front page as well. Hacker News front page. Remember, we're just testing out the app and seeing what it does just to get an idea of what's going on in the code, yeah? Front page. Test source. Works as well. Now we have two sources. Let's disable this one and then go back. And this is the actual front page. We can verify that. I'm not sure if it's gonna match because this is different. This is what Firehose thinks a Hacker News has. It's not what actual. It's not from actually Hacker News. Anyway, you go here, opens up. Amazing. You can also have the, nope. You can also have the browser be an in-app browser. That's something really cool. What if we play with this one? 1 minute? Oh, it doesn't have seconds, so we can crash it. Use meter, open articles in-app, yes. Go back, press on this. Oh, very fancy. So that's what's happening in this application. It's very simple, as you can see, very straightforward. UI-wise and generally the task at hand is very simple. The need is very cool. It's just a toy app. What's very interesting about this are the tests, of course. And that's what we're going to see in the next episode.